Hi guys, hope you're all doing fantastic. Today we're going to look at one of the easiest ways to maintain your fence without too much effort, without spending too much money, and without bothering about which color you need to go for the fence. What we're going to look at now is a most simplest way of dealing with this problem. This is Ashwin here and you're watching Everyday Life. Thanks for all the love and support you give to our channel, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please click on the subscribe button and please click on the bell button to keep yourself updated with our new videos. So when it comes to fence maintenance, one of the most important things is making sure that water doesn't penetrate into the wood of the fence. So there are different ways of doing this. You can paint the fence, or you can apply some kind of an oil to the fence, or you can apply the oil and then paint the fence. There are different ways of doing it. The problem that we have faced is not able to decide which exact color that we can go for the fence paint. There are some paints available in the market which can make your fence really dark, and the color is really not so nice. There are different other colors as well, but they end up being too expensive. So what we have chosen is a very simple method which I want to share with you. We have gone for a clear decking oil. This is the no nonsense decking oil that I have got from Screwfix. I got it for 20 pounds each can. That's 5 liters a can, and I don't think we would need more than 2 or 3 cans to paint the whole fence here. And the best part about this is a clear one, so which means there is no color that it will add to the fence. So once you paint it, the fence would look in its own natural wood color, and yet it is still protected from all the elements of the weather. They have not mentioned on their website if this decking oil can be sprayed, but I have used it for the last couple of years and it is sprayable. And for spraying this decking oil, I have been using the Ronseal sprayer. This I've got from B&Q, and this was around 20 to 30 pounds. This is the Ronseal sprayer. This is typically used for the fence paint and for the decking paint or anything like that, any kind of spray painting jobs. So what we have here is a cylinder. This is a 9-liter cylinder, and then you can fill the cylinder with the paint or the decking oil by topping it up from here. You can top it up from here, and then after that you have two different pressure nozzles, the way you want the spray to come out widely or you want the spray to come out more narrow. And then once you have filled it with the decking oil, then all that you have to do is pressure it up and pressure it down. Pressure it a few times like this way, and then after that you just lock it, and then you pick up the spray gun and then you continue spraying it onto wherever you need. By using the no nonsense decking oil and by using this Ronseal spray, with this combination, what we're doing is we're making the job very easy using the spray, and then you're keeping the same color, the natural wood color of the fence, which is naturally the most beautiful color. And by using the clear decking oil, you're keeping the wood clear. At the same time, you're protecting your wood with the decking oil. And the decking oil is actually meant for much tougher purposes, which is used for decking, where people would walk on it. When it comes to the case of a fence, people don't really walk on the fence, so this is much more added protection than what you can give for the fence using a usual fence paint. We are going to show you now how we're going to go about this. This is the fence we are going to oil today. As you can see, the wood is really absorbing the oil very nicely here, and you can see the color changing a little. It's just getting a bit darker, but then once the oil dries out from the surface, then the natural color of the wood would come back to it. But it's really good that the wood is absorbing. The more oil it absorbs, the more oil it's going to keep inside, which means the more protected it's going to be against the elements of the nature. This is how the wooden panels look now after the decking oil has been sprayed on them. See, you can see the natural color is again restoring back than when we sprayed it. When we sprayed it, it was a bit more darker because of the oil, and you can see now the natural color is coming back and the wood looks much better. The fence maintenance is important. The wood needs to be maintained. The cheapest way and the most efficient way of maintaining the wood is using decking oil. Decking oil does the job excellently, and the easiest way of doing it is by using the sprayer. So the no-nonsense decking oil goes with the sprayer and you can apply it quite easily. I finished the whole garden job in approximately an hour's time. Hope this video has been helpful to you, and I hope it makes maintaining your fence much more easier. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel so that we can bring forward before you more videos like this. Thank you very much.